Hello. Okay, so this is a demo for Messenger chatbot of a Shopify store. So this chatbot is linked to a Shopify store, and all of the products and order information that it will be showing will be from our real Shopify store backend. So we also created a few other videos regarding the WhatsApp version of the same chatbot, and in this video we'll be specifically looking at Messenger chatbot. So when we send hi to a chatbot, so it will start with a welcome message like hi Sojuro, greetings from a Shopify chatbot. And now at the bottom, it is showing me a couple of options, buttons. So we can see options like browse all categories, view products on sale, search for a product, view catalog, check order status, or show my cart. So let me start with browse all categories. So now it is showing me the categories of products from the Shopify store. So we can see we have product categories like men, new arrivals, make, kids, women, show my cart. Okay, so I will start with this new arrivals. So I will see what items we have in this category. So you can see now it is showing me these three products. So it will load the pictures as well in a moment. Okay, so now it has started showing me pictures as well of the products, and also it shows me the name and the price. So I will select, let's say, first product from this, and now it is showing me the options that I have with this product. So it is showing me three options, so I can see small, large. Okay, so it is showing me two options, so I have two particular options for this particular product, and so which is small and large. So I will add the first one to cart. Okay, so now you can see it is showing me my cart on Messenger. So it is showing the total price, and also I have one item, so it is showing me one item here, and it is showing me the total price and the price of the item and the quantity that I have purchased, and I can update the quantity as well. Or other option I can see at the bottom is to clear my cart, proceed to checkout, or go home. So let me also add one more item in this cart so that we can see further uh, view of the cart. So I have this option called search for a product. So I will click on this. Now it is asking me to enter the name. So I will just enter one name. So the name would, so if this name appears anywhere in the product name, it will fetch the products for me. So you can see it is now showing me all of the products labeled kurti in my store. So let me select this one. And now it is showing me options, the product variants that I have. So I will select this particular one. So now you can see it is showing me my cart, and it has two items in it. The total price is shown at the top in the message, which is 3023, and it is showing me the quantity and price of these two items that I have. I can also update a quantity of any selected item. So if I want to update the quantity of this one, let's say, so now it is asking me the new quantity. It is telling me that you have currently one item in your cart for this particular product. So I will say I want three of them. So now you can see it has updated the price and also the updated the quantity of the product. You can see this particular product is shown as three quantity, and now the total price is also updated for this particular product. And I can see the previous product is as it was. So now I will go to proceed to checkout option to actually create an order and see the order number. So now you can see I have two options, cash on delivery and electronic payment. So I will just select cash on delivery. So I have been shopping with this chatbot. So it has stored my email address and my mailing address as well. So it is asking me here, do I want to use the same information or I want to update the information? So I will just say proceed to checkout as I'm fine with this information. Okay, so now you can see my order is created and the order number given to me is 1097. And also it is showing me the two products that are inside my order. And we can also get the PDF invoice of that order, and it will send me a PDF file for this particular order. So now we can see that it has sent me a file, which is a PDF file, and I can open it up. It will download and it will open in a PDF reader. So now we can see two items in our PDF file. So we can see this invoice. It shows the total price and price of these two items that I added to my order. So okay, so inshallah in the next video we'll be looking at the option of post sales, and we'll see what we can do once our order is created in the messenger chatbot.